Assignment groups are your friends. When you go to your list of assignments in Canvas, all of these are assignment groups. So they are different groupings of assignments. When you import something from another course, it shows up in imported assignments. It is best practice for you to use assignment groups for your different units or topics. To make a new group, you select New Group, give it a name. It will add the new assignment group down on the bottom. All you need to do from this page is grab your assignment and move it down into the new assignment group. The order of these assignments is the order they will be in on the grades in the grade book in Canvas. So if you don't like the order they're in, just drag them around. You can also get an assignment in an assignment group. When you are creating a new assignment or editing one that already exists, you will notice right here it's asking which assignment group to put it in, and at this point you can also select where you would like for it to go. Then if I go back to assignments, I will notice that that one that I was just editing is now also down here. In grades, there is an option to apply filters for assignment groups, and I will see all of the assignment groups that I have, and I can select to view only that one assignment group. So if you have them named by topic or by unit, you can view only the assignments that are for that topic or unit. It is highly recommended that you set up assignment groups for your assignments in Canvas and that you use them to organize the assignments.